And welcome back to episode 5 of our Bass House Track from Scratch series. You guys have been absolutely loving the series. Sick. So have I. So it's just been great all around. So with today's episode, we've done part 1 of the drop, we've done part 2 of the drop, and now it's time for part 3 to introduce like some chord progression and melodic aspects to it. I got a few ideas in my head. Sadly, my cowbell has not arrived in time, so I can't chuck cowbell in this episode, but it should be here for next week's episode. So stay tuned for more cowbell. Next episode, it's gonna happen. But anyway, yeah, this chord progression is also gonna happen right now. And as per usual, if you are binge watching this series, here's the time code to skip what the track sounds like. But if you are new or want to refresh, this is what the track sounds like so far. Chord progression, another chord, straight back into the bass. So if you remember last episode, I absolutely lost my shit over this little bass. It's actually a glitch sound, but I pitched it down or up, down, and then it just worked miraculously as a bass. So it's gonna go chord, chord. Let's copy across in the drums because that would make sense. I feel like we've done that too many times, just like drop off the first kick with a mute. So let's actually have the kick this time. Wop, 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 wop. Let's add the effects as well. Should we add the percussion as well? Hopefully that deal actually suits, and I'm not just like using it as a placeholder. It's not gonna do anything. So we could use the same bass we've been doing the entire time. Bow now now. I forgot what I did. Bob, 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 bob. Oh, we could copy across this. And the sub bass, that would suit. It's just doing a standard wub on the 4th. Oh, got another idea. I love it when that happens. Yeah, okay, that's doing the same pattern as the do. Another idea. So many ideas today. It's fucking glorious. Best friend Serum. Gonna do it in analog, but then I realized let's just do it in Serum so we can chuck OTT on it easily. Right, so my idea is like pitchy glidey notes, so we're gonna have to change that to mono. And legato. No, I can't remember which was I was going for. That sounds banging. No, it sounds weird. EDM anthem inbound. Chuck some side channel, throw in the track, see what happens. That's basically how to bass house with Sam Antidote. That might be too many high frequencies. Not sure about the last bit. Yeah, that no, I don't think it suits.
Oh my god. That's Check. Oh yeah. Yo. There's hopefully some of those are decent.
Alright, I'll do the first one with the last one. After trimming those with the fade tool, we are going to...
Yo. 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 Yo.
Fuck it, we'll just leave it as is. We need it off beat though.
Yo.
Which that is not.
Yo. 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 Yo.
Group them together, Command G, Control G possibly with Windows. I think so.
Yo.
That would make sense if it was.
Yo.
Glue compressor to add that punch, drop the threshold.
Yo. 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 Yo.
Oh god, is this gonna work? But we'll give it a shot. Why did that magically fix it? It was slightly too early and then you add the micro shift and it makes it slightly too late, but it's perfectly in time now. Crazy idea. What about if we just ditched that and chucked an 808 in there instead? Okay, I like that sub pattern for the bass. Let's see. Oh, we could do a I forgot what it's called, a parallel audio effect chain with one audio processing level being clean, which is like this bass is at the moment, and one being just like super distorted. So in order to do that, drag in an audio effect, Command G, open up this little show hide chain list, create chain, rename, clean, rename, heavy. And then we should probably limit it since it's gonna... It's so much bass already. Reverb on a bass? On an 808 even? That sounds sick! No, it sounds good by itself. It doesn't sound good with that little layer over the top. Maybe just mute that for a second. That was 0, by the way. Shortcut. Dilemma, that sounds cool by itself. Doesn't sound cool with this over the top. This could sound amazing, or amazingly shit. Okay, here's my wild idea. Since this is doing a different note, this is doing F sharp, and this is doing F. So we want this to do F sharp and then F. So around the halfway mark, it'll drop down back to F. But for this bit, we'll pitch it up one. So it can like glide. You're not really hearing that, that's the thing. Could work. Let's bring back that vocal loop for the second half. That could help fill in the empty space. What if we make another duplicate? Okay, we don't want those effects though. Saturator sounds cool. I think Skrillex and Diplo used a lot of this kind of saturator with the Where Are You Now vocal, I seem to recall. Could be completely wrong, but I think they did. Let's get crazy with it. Oh, that's sounding weird. I think that deserves to be wide. Who would have guessed that was an 808? It's still retaining like the punchiness. We haven't even done like mixing. We got a tractor down there, and then we got a weed eater down there. Man's trying to record a bass house video. I think the problem is it's doing two different ideas. So this is doing its wah 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 wah. And this is doing... And I think they're clashing, they're not just blending together nicely, so let's have this one mimic this pattern. Is that possible to string? Yeah, let's fucking see how it goes. That needs to be quicker, so that's quicker as well. Great terminology, Sam. Really nailing this tutorial. Maybe turn this down. Where's all the high end at? That's what I want to know. No, I'm not going to use those. I was tempted for a second, but like, it's just going to be too much. This is not how you should production, but I kind of just want to go yeet. And more high end. Alright, let's duplicate, see if it works. It's been a mad episode, guys, not gonna lie. Too many crazy ideas. Too many possibilities of, oh, is this gonna work? Who knows, but it seems to be working so far. This series is all about trying different production things, seeing if it works. If it doesn't, cool. If it does, even better. Oh, can we get the frequency shifter back in? Yes, we can. Oh boy! Do it there? No. Oh, you milked it too much, Sam. And then delete that, and then just absolutely do 8s on this. There. Do. Oh, I forgot we got that pitch shift. Oh, should we add it? Yeah, let's add it. It is the classic super saw, hyper saw, pop saw, whatever you want to call it. It's a saw waves, and there's many of them. Like, there we go, hyper saw. You know what I'm talking about as soon as you hear it. Oh, this might ruin it, but... It might sound too full, and then when it switches up to this section, it might be too empty, so who knows. How does one chord? Not like that. Subtle. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna duplicate it. It's almost there. It's almost full enough. If you think about it, an 808 is really occupying like the low end of a frequency spectrum, like the sub-bass area. It's not meant to occupy the high end. We're kind of making it have high frequencies through distortion and shit, and then I'm about to completely make this fill in those high frequencies we don't have. So I'm just gonna cut the bass there, and then let's add some saturation again. Let's do overdrive. That could work. Alright guys, I'm going to call the episode there. It's been a weird one. Unconventional sound design methods. Yep. It sounds pretty cool. It sounds pretty unique, especially this bit. And I'm excited for next week's episode with the cowbell, so we can actually put it in the track. The day I go to edit this, the day the cowbell arrives, so next episode will 100% be in. So I guess it's time to wrap up the video and have the final listen of this track. But before we do the final listen of this track, I just want to say a massive thank you and shout out to everybody watching this series. There's been a ton of new subscribers since I started the series. So welcome along to the series and to the channel. And yeah, it's time to listen to this masterpiece in action. And don't worry guys, I'll give out the project file once the series is wrapped up. I've had quite a few requests so far for the project file, but I thought I'd just put it in the video. Don't worry, I'm going to make it live. I'm going to make it free at the end of the series, so stay tuned for that. Let's listen to this track. Fingers crossed it works. Yeah, boy. See you guys next episode. Peace.